Are you ready to revolutionize your corrugator with high-quality single-pass inkjet printing and become a digital corrugated factory? Join us on a flight across the wet end of a corrugator, from the single facers to the BHS Jetliner Monochrome, a fully integrated single-pass inkjet printing system which moves black print jobs from the converting area directly to the corrugator. The compact system can be easily integrated between the bottom liner splicer here on the left and the triple preheater here on the right. Let's take a closer look inside the machine. The bottom liner is fed from the liner splicer directly into the BHS Jetliner Monochrome, where it's printed. Therefore, the bottom liner runs over the central printing cylinder of the machine. At the top of this printing cylinder, you can see two printing bars that print monochrome black images on the bottom liner. But what are we actually printing? Here, we see the printed liner running towards the triple preheater. We are printing on working widths of up to 2.8 meters or 110 inches at speeds of up to 400 meters per minute or 1,300 feet per minute. Monochrome black on uncoated paper. We can print either simple images, such as company logos and symbols, or text, but even complicated halftone images, as you can see here, are possible. This means that monochrome black printing in the converting area of your corrugated plant can be eliminated. Now, things are getting even more interesting. You can also print individual barcodes or QR codes on the liner. Each packaging can now have its own individual barcode or QR code. What you see here are print marks. These are the little triangles here. These triangles will play a very important role when we continue our journey through the corrugator. Let's continue further along the corrugator to see what we can do in the dry end with these different print marks, as well as with the QR codes. In order to produce digital corrugated board, the corrugator is equipped with two further innovations from BHS Corrugated, the two systems iLFS and iCMC. We have now reached the automatic slitter scorer. Here, you can see the intelligent line following system iLFS. One system before the automatic slitter scorer, called iLFS1, and one system after it, called iLFS2. These two camera-based systems have the following tasks. Firstly, the printed QR code is scanned before the automatic slitter scorer in order to trigger the order change or grade change. It's no longer the order list that determines when to change, but the printed paper itself. This means that even the shortest jobs can be produced very efficiently. Secondly, the variations of the QR code are analyzed across the board, so that the automatic slitter scorer can be automatically adapted to the board. The sidelines previously required for this purpose, which were scanned by a traditional line-following system, are no longer needed, and the usable area of the board can be extended. The system after the automatic slitter scorer now uses the printed triangles to check the accuracy of the slit knives to the proper width, and if necessary, actively readjusts automatically. This is the first time in corrugated history that this machine setting is not only controlled, but also automatically readjusted. The world's first 100% closed-loop control of the slit width cut in the corrugator without manual remeasurement and without the need for personnel. And exactly what the two systems did before and after the automatic slitter scorer is done again in the cutoff area. This is controlled by the iCMC, the Intelligent Cut-to-Mark control, which ensures maximum precision for sheet length accuracy at the cutoff. Also here, two camera-based systems are used, which are positioned before and after the cutoff. The upstream reading of QR codes triggers the cut at the cutoff. The downstream system then checks each individual cut using the printed cutting marks and actively adjusts the cut position if necessary. With the help of the BHS Jetliner Monochrome, we not only produce a printed sheet of corrugated board directly in the corrugator, no, we are also introducing a 100% check for the slitter and cutoff accuracy. An exact length and width can be ensured for each individual sheet that was produced this way, and all this without the need for personnel. The BHS Jetliner Monochrome, together with ILFS and ICMC, are further steps on the way to the digital corrugated board plant. Become a part of it. We at BHS Corrugated are at your side.